Assalamu alaikum, I am MD Niamul. Managing a lead generation business spending over $5,000 a day requires more than just a basic pixel setup. The biggest challenge at this scale is the data gap caused by iOS restrictions and ad blockers, leading to inaccurate attribution. Without precise data, you are making optimization decisions based on incomplete information, which risks your entire ad spend. I specialize in building advanced attribution systems designed for high-spend advertisers who need total visibility. My core solution is robust server-side tracking via Google Tag Manager to ensure 99% data accuracy. I correctly implement Meta Conversational API to improve event quality and attribution accuracy for your Facebook and Instagram ads. We won't just track conversions, we will track leads down to the campaign, ad set, and even the specific creative level. By setting up clean UTM parameter capture and pass through, we identify exactly which creative is driving your ROI. I ensure that browser and server events are perfectly deduplicated so your data remains clean and never inflated. Whether you prefer Clicklane, high ROAS, or red track, I recommend and build the best stack for your specific lead gen funnel. I begin with the deep audit of your current setup to identify exactly what is broken and where your data is leaking. My goal is to provide a stable, reliable system that supports your $5,000 daily spend without issues. With over 5 years of experience and hundreds of successful projects, I engineer precision into your marketing data. Measure, optimize, scale. That is how you turn raw data into a competitive advantage. If you need this level of technical precision for your tracking, let's talk. I can build the reliable setup your business deserves. You can message me on WhatsApp or book a call at mdniamul.com. All links are in the video description. I look forward to helping you scale your business. Alhamdulillah. Thank you.